in the veins of the turbo, danger to the manifold, too much boost blew the engine, broken down in the yard, then you're posted on Craigslist, best offer, no trades. Some engine work is needed, call or text, price is fair.
Hi, I'm Paul Young Jr. Will you be the savior of a Craigslist project? Every day, good cars are hooned, beaten, and neglected. Please, visit your local Craigslist page and donate your time and money to a rescue car right now. For below market value or best offer, you'll help rescue cars from their abusers, giving them shelter and love. Subscribe now and you'll receive content about cars that I've given a second chance, and maybe we'll see some other cars that have been just as fortunate.
Some engine work is needed, call or text, price is fair.
Right now, there's a car that needs you. Your call or text says you're there to help. Please, go right now.